Hello friends, welcome to this another video of ReactJS series. So previously we have learned how to create and deploy our app to the browser. So today we'll learn how to make a simple Hello World app and deploy it in the web page. Okay, so let's quickly make our app. This process I have shown you in the previous video. So just wait. You guys also do the same thing in your own computer so that you will get the practical knowledge of it. Okay, do the same thing in your own computer. See, let's start. You can see we have successfully deployed our app in the browser. Now let's move to the Visual Studio Code where we have to do the main work. Minimize all. Let's open. Okay, about Visual Studio Code. First of all, you have to download different types of extensions as per your requirement. As I have downloaded JavaScript, M8, all these type of extensions, which you have to download from here. You see here is extensions. Just search it JavaScript here and download the extensions as per your requirement. Okay, from here we have to open our app. What's our app name? Hello app. Hello app. I got it. Let's click. See, it will open your app. So here is our app, and inside our app there are different types of folders, and below the folders there are different types of files. You can see here. Among these folders, the main work which we will do with the source file, src file folder, and below that there are different types of files, and among these files we will only deal with these two, app.css and app.js. App.css is mainly used to design every element of your app in the web browser, and app.js is the main file where we have to do the coding and to modify your app, to build up your app. We have to do the coding here. So we'll deal with these two files only under the source folder. Okay, so let's open the terminal. So just write npm start here. It will again start your app. Just press Y for yes. You can see it will open your app. My net is little bit slow, so please keep patience, guys. So see, this is your app, and all the things you are seeing here behind this whole page, the coding is done. Is this is the whole coding done behind this app, and the designing, the blue color, the rotation, all the things are done here, app.css. See. So let's build our own app. So I will have to remove it all space. So first of all, we have the syntax is C, import React, put a semicolon here. And earlier we have mentioned that there are two components. One is function based component and this class based component. For now we will use function based component. Okay, so first we have a function app basis, and there will always a return type. So I would like to tell something about this. If you know the basics of HTML and CSS and some basic knowledge of the programming language of JavaScript, then it will be a little bit helpful to you. Okay, and if you don't know, don't worry, it will be familiar very soon. Keep practicing. It is very easy. Okay, so let's write the code. Just print hello world. And if there is import, there will be export at the end of the coding. Okay, export your app. This is the mandatory thing you have to do, otherwise it will show a error. Okay, suppose you have not write that this. Okay, let's run it. See, you got an error. See, you have got an error in the, go to the browser. See, it failed to compile. So you have to, this is mandatory thing, you have to keep it in your mind. Let's run it. Oh, what I've done here. Oh, that's my bad. I've done an error. Debugging is a part of the programmer. Don't worry. Let's say and save it. what we've done. Export, default spelling wrong, so many errors. Now see, no error. It is compiled. See, hello world, your hello app is ready here. So like this way you will build your own app. Okay, this is just a basic thing of the web development, and congratulations, your first app is built now. Coming very soon with the next video for more details. Okay, thank you.